Hello. So we are back, but this time we have a customer job. We have a Chromebook to be repaired. This is from school, I understand. The problem with this one was liquid damage. Okay, so we have to try and fix it. Okay, let's have a look. I haven't opened the laptop, so I don't know what it's inside. But we can try to fix it, yeah? You know, water damage jobs are... depends, you know, how bad is damaged the board and how long was the board left with liquid damage. The screws are proper tight. Let me grab a normal screwdriver. I mean, we made before videos like using rosin colophonium, yeah, rosin flux. Actually, you have a very high chance to repair a water damage job if you boil the flux under the damaged component like a chip. Okay, so the laptop is open and I can't really see anything. You can see anything here? No. Looks okay to me. So what do we have here? We have a USB-C charger. Oh, it's a USB-C one. That's bad. I haven't expect a USB-C on a Chromebook. Well, let's see what he's doing. And the meter is coming on, which is a good sign. And we have 5 volts, 500 milliamps. This is not a good sign. This is actually a very bad one. Yeah, same story. So the board doesn't negotiate the charging protocol and it's stuck on 5 volts. Okay, let's take the board out because the customer said he saw some liquid damage on the board. So I'm curious, where is the liquid damage? Let's unplug the battery. Just trying to be helpful. I know this is not an expensive laptop. I can see the board has been opened before. I think that's all. Now let's see. Oh yeah, it's one more here, the screw with the seal. This one. Yeah, the keyboard cable, the touchpad, and that's all. Oh yeah, so check here. So you can see the board, yeah, has some liquid damage. You can see it here, yeah. You can see it here. And I think that's it. Yeah, so only here and here. So my question is, can be this fixed only by cleaning? Can we do it? Just clean it and it's working? It works like that? You'll be surprised, but sometimes, yes. I did have a lot of liquid damage job and actually just cleaning and it worked. Okay, let's use some alcohol and the toothbrush and clean it, then check the board. I think that's it. Let's dry it. Now let's check the board under the microscope, yeah? Let's see what do we have there. But the damage is not that bad, and it's not sweet. You know, when you have a sweet liquid, it's actually a lot worse. Let's see, microscope. Let's take out the reflections. So we have the startup chip, which is this. This is the ECCO chip. And yeah. So based on the fact, you see those black marks actually has some sticky thing under. Here we have some liquid damage. Okay, liquid damage on the Super IO chip is not good. Let's clean it. Okay, that's good. Okay, here we can see damage. I mean, here we can see some damage, and this is the this is that coil driver. Yeah, so here we can see some damage. Let's use some rosin. Without the reflections, actually you can see the board very nicely. Let's try a short reflow of this chip. Hopefully the rosin it will do the magic. But this doesn't look very great. Maybe, who knows? Maybe. Yeah, we have one pin here, and I can't see the solder on that pin. Let's try one more time. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, so we can see every pin is soldered there. That's great. Okay, so now let's check here. Like this chip is not look, it doesn't look bad. but here we have few components and more liquid damage here. Let's clean it. I mean, the inspection on a liquid damage job is very, very important. Yeah. So this chip looks fine. There's no issue with that chip. The rest of the board looks okay. Here is fine. So my only concern is the Super IO chip. Yeah. If the Super IO is dead, we cannot fix it. If the CPU is dead, we cannot fix it. Let's clean it a little bit more here. What I'm looking is for, you know, rust. And everything looks fine. Let's see on the other side. I can see just a little bit of liquid damage here. Let's clean it. And everything's looking good right now. Right? So it will work or not? That's the question. Let's plug the charger. And see what is happening. Same story, 5 volts. Okay, let's check some voltages. Let's see what we have here. On the Super IO chip, and I can't see anything. I believe we should have 3.3 there. Here, so here somewhere we should have 3.3. Somewhere meaning this now. Here, no, 0 volts. Here, nothing. And here, 1.2 volts. Okay, that's not a good sign. 1.2 volts is not a good sign. Let's check this power supply. Let's see what this power supply is doing here. And this power supply is not doing anything. 1.2. That's strange. Can be this the output power for that Super IO? But what's the input of this power supply? And the input is 5 volts. Okay. That's bad. So we have 5 volts at the input, and we have 1.2 at the output. Wow, 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 wow. Why I'm using fingers when I have a thermal camera? Okay, the chip is mad hot. The chip is mad hot. How we can test it? You know, let's test it on the classic way using some alcohol. Yeah, let's try it. So I'll plug the charger, and you can see the chip is getting extremely hot. That's a very bad sign. Now, a very good test is Let's switch the powers to how much it was, 1.2. Okay. Now, if we are coming with the power supply, yeah, 1.3. That's good. If we are coming with the power supply, that's how we identify if this chip is faulty or the Super IO. So if I'm coming now with the power from the power supply, yeah, and I'm adding some alcohol. If the chip is faulty, the alcohol it will get evaporated. If the chip is not faulty, but the output of the chip is faulty, it will not get evaporated, yeah? So the output is here, and the chip doesn't get. Look at the power supply. Yeah, it looks sorry on the screen. 1.8 amps. 1.8. So the chip, the output of this chip is shorted. Let's pay attention on our Super IO chip. So I'll come with the power on the same point here. Wow, check there, check there. That's my Super IO. So what do we have here? Actually 1.8 amps. But still, you know, it's kind of weird. Ah, no, the chip is getting mad hot. Nah. Yeah, the chip is getting mad hot. The story of my life, you know? Dead Super IOS. So what we are doing? So one more time, power on, off. On, off. On, off. And I seen the video from yesterday and people said, sorry, why you didn't took the chip out? You remember same story with the shortest Super IOS? Said check the tracks, yeah? Check maybe it's some track is shorted. But the thing is, I don't care about the tracks. I'm caring about what is taking that power. Yeah, like in the video from yesterday, in the video from today, the power is taken by the CO chip. And there's nothing what you can do in this case. Like nothing. Just to replace the CO chip. Yeah, it's mad hot. 2.4 amps. What we can do? Probably nothing. Probably nothing. Probably nothing. A shorted TV is a shorted chip. You know, this is not a power supply to have some shorted outputs. To, you know, just to think, okay, maybe something else around this chip is faulty. No. I can try to isolate the pins behind of the chip, but I can't see how that will help. Let me check online. This chip is programmable or not. Let's see what chip it is. NPC X 796 F BOBX or 808X. We can't even find this chip. We can find it on AliExpress or about eBay. Nah, nothing on eBay. Like nothing. No, only on AliExpress for £7 shipping, £3, £10. So what we are doing with this job? We should order. I mean, I do have programmer and I can program the chip. Well, I think first the best is to speak with the customer if he's willing to wait. Yeah. We have the chip here. If he is willing to wait, I can order the chip and program the chip. Not sure if I can find the software. But yeah, we can program the chip. Now let's check one more time. Yeah, 2 amps. Let's see if we can find a software for this one. And after that, let's speak with the customer if he will be waiting. Then order the chip and program the chip. We can program this chip, hopefully by the keyboard connector. Hopefully. Okay. No, this is the keyboard connector. Sorry, that's the one. That's the keyboard connector. Okay. Let's try and do it. Till then, I will say, just thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. I didn't know actually that's the problem, but that's what kind of jobs I'm taking on the last period of time. So I didn't expect to be, what are the odds, I have same job, yeah, shorter super IO. Today, same job, shorter super IO. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.